Do you suffer from thin, flat, lifeless hair? Then you want to tune in today to find out more about this amazing micro crimping tool and how you get some incredible volume like this. Stay tuned. Hi, welcome to Hair Home Happy, and today we are talking micro crimpers. What the heck? This is the 80s, but this is going to be your new favorite tool if you are a girl who has thin, fine, flat hair, or if you are looking to give your hair a little bit more texture for updos or a big ponytail or big hair. This baby is your go-to tool. I'm using Samvia. You see the little micro crimps in there. This is a professional line tool. It was like $160, but I have linked below a bedhead version found on Amazon that's like 23 bucks. It's got amazing reviews. The teeth on it look almost identical to the Samvia version. So check out the link in the description to find that. I would appreciate if you use my link because I do get a little bit of a kickback. So here we go. So I styled my hair straight today, and one of the reasons that I hate wearing my hair straight is that by the end of the day, it is flat to my head. No matter if I tease it, no matter what products I use, it is flat to my head. I tend to be a girl who flips and touches my hair all the time, and it just can't hold it. So enter the micro crimping tool. I've already went through on this side of my hair. You just kind of flip up a section and then take it, and you're not gonna go the whole strand. You're just gonna do this right at the root. Just a few micro crimps. And you're just gonna do that throughout. Now I'm gonna go on this side of my hair. So I'm gonna take it to the root and pinch it down and just do like that first inch. Flip that over. So I'm gonna take this little section right here and I'm gonna show you it up close. So just clamp. You see that texture? And no texture. And this whole section down the side of my head, just to give it some more lift. And it doesn't have to be perfect because again, you're just trying to give your hair some texture and grit. These crimps are so tiny that even when you do it on the top layer, you can't see it. Like, that's what I love about it, is you can't screw it up. I used this micro crimper on my daughter last week for Crazy Hair Day, and I did it all the way to the end, and her ponytail was huge. We did like almost like a bubble faux hawk with it, and she loved it, and she got tons of compliments. She played on the playground all day and came home and her hair was still massive. I'm just kind of going up through my crown. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. You could use clips and section it out, but really we're just using this for texture. I'm gonna give this side just a little bit more underneath here. This tends to be like my flat spot. And you can see that, like, just using my fingers, I can get some pretty big hair going. You can use a comb or a wet brush, and I'm just gonna go up under there and just tease it a little bit. Same through this top panel. And this will help hold your teasing so much better than if your hair is just smooth. And if you're doing this on, like, this is clean hair for me. So if you did this on like day 3 hair, day 2 hair, oh baby, it would be real good. So let's just like take a second to look at that volume. Okay, I'm just gonna use like 2 drops of Rejuvenique oil. on the ends just to kind of finish them out. But like, look at that volume, and you can even tuck your hair behind one ear, then finish it with Refinish Control Hairspray. You can even go up under, spray it, leave it over the can for some extra hold. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed learning how to use a micro crimping tool. Make sure to check out the links in the descriptions for the products that I used today and the link for that bedhead micro crimper that is exactly like this Samphia one. If you'd like to see more videos and tutorials like this, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram.